friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the B major scale. That's right. I'm going to take you through right now just a quick demonstration of how to play one octave and then two octaves. For those of you who would like a more detailed right hand, left hand, put hands together and all my tips and tricks, stick around. I'll give you that in just a second. For those who want the quick and fast version, here you go. Here's the B major scale one octave. And this is two octaves. So before we get started on the detailed version, I'd just like to thank you for watching my video. Please consider giving it a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and always don't forget would love to have you subscribe to my channel and share my video with your friends and families. Okay, so before we get started on the deep dive here, we need to know that the key of B major, and therefore the B major scale, has 5 sharps. And those sharps are F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. So as you can see, that means we're going to be playing all 5 of our black keys. Okay, so let's start off, and I'm going to go through the letter names with the right hand one octave, and they are as follows: B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. Back down, it's B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, B. Now we'll go over the finger numbers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back down. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now let's check out the left hand. The left hand is going to begin on the 4th finger on B. We will not be using the 5th finger in the left hand at all for the scale. The reason for that is when we play scales, we keep our thumbs and pinkies off the black keys. Now we do use pinky and thumb on black keys when we play chords, but never when we play a scale. All right, so let's take a look at that. So our left hand, I already went through the letter names. Those are the same. So I'm just going to do the finger numbers. 1 octave with the left hand is 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you're going to cross your 4th finger over to the F sharp. 4, 3, 2, 1. On the way back down, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, tuck your thumb under, and like I always like to remind you, when you go to tuck your thumb under, don't pop out your elbow. Let your thumb do all the work. Your thumb goes on E, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let's take a look at putting hands together. Again, the right hand is going to start on 1. The left hand is starting on 4. The interesting thing about this is that our thumb are going to play at the same time on this middle key here, E. That we usually don't do on the first 5 scales. If you've already learned those, C, G, D, A, and E, we don't put our thumbs at the same time. But on the B major scale, we do. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go through the letter names as I play both hands, 1 octave. B, C sharp, D sharp, E. 4th finger on F sharp in your left hand. 2 is on F sharp in your right hand. F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. Back down. B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp. Both thumbs on E. 2 in your left hand on D sharp. 3rd finger goes on D sharp in your right hand. D sharp, C sharp, B. Let me do that again a little more smoothly. B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, B. Okay, now we're going to take a look at 2 octaves. So for 2 octaves, we're going to do everything the same with our right hand. We're going to come up, and we get to A sharp. Instead of using our 5th finger to play B, we're going to take our thumb under, again, not popping out the elbow, let the thumb do all the work, and put it on B. And then it's just like we're starting the scale over all the way up to B. Then we'll use our 5th finger to hit this B up here. On the way back down, we do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross 3 to the D sharp, 3, 2, 1. When we get here, we're going to cross our 4th finger over to A sharp. 4, 3, 2, 1, cross 3 to the D sharp, 3, 2, 1. So basically, it's the same fingering we did in 1 octave. We just replace this 5 with our 1 to continue. Okay, now let's look at the left hand. Left hand, again, the first octave is exactly the same. When When we get here to the B, we're simply just going to cross our third finger over to C sharp and continue just like we did in the first octave. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we come back down. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to put our thumb on E, 2, 3, thumb on B. And now we can just finish the octave and we're going to end on our fourth finger. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, end on 4. All right, when we put it together, this scale actually is pretty easy to put together because our thumbs are going to be hitting together on E and B. And we've got the black keys that keep our thumbs from going into weird places. So I think B is actually a pretty easy scale once you know the trick. Okay, so here's what it looks like, hands together, 2 octaves. B, C sharp, B sharp, E. Fourth finger on F sharp in your left hand. F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, both thumbs on B. Then we're going to cross our third finger over to C sharp in our left hand. 2 is on C sharp in your right hand. C sharp, D sharp, E, both thumbs. Cross 4 in your left hand to F sharp. G sharp, A sharp, B. Back down the same way we came up. B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E. D sharp, C sharp, B, both thumbs. 4 on A sharp in your right hand. A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E. D sharp, C sharp, B. Here it is a little smoother. There we go. That is the B major scale 1 and 2 octaves. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.